one celebrity who somebody tried to out them for something they did in the past, and they said, "Fuck y'all. I'm not about to come out here and pretend like I'm apologizing," because that's all it is. It's a pretend. Like you get up there and say you sorry, and as soon as you turn that camera off, he be like, "Fuck the media." You know what? And he probably called his son again. Tours. Yeah, he probably called his son again.
These hobo apology tours. That's like these people who go around saying these racial slurs, and then, oh, I'm gonna take sensitivity. You know what the fuck you were saying when you said it. Yep. So now why you got to take a sensitivity training?
Right. I'm going to AA, even though they
what kind of rehab they got?
They weren't even drinking at the time.
What kind of rehab they got for you saying nigga or calling somebody?
Oh, you talking about that white country star? You talking about that country star we talked about last night?
Where rehab at? What does that consist of? what is that? Because I don't want your bullshit apology. You can save that.
Right.
That does nothing for me. That's lip service. You can save that.
Yeah, I'm like, this worst stuff that people do out here besides cussing your own child out. I would have been like, hey, I'm about to cuss my son out again. Okay, this time I'm gonna do it live.
Right.
Okay. And y'all can buy my gospel album that come out next month or not. Like, so at some point you have to be F the media. Like, F the media. Because it's all for play anyway. The most 99.9% of the time when people come to apologize, they don't mean it. They just doing it because their publicist said do it, and they want you to put keep putting money in their pocket. But I mean, it eventually will blow over. Everything always blows over. Like the dude, the white country star, after he was blasted for saying the N-word over, on with his friends, his buddies he was hanging with. His record sales shot through he was the top selling country musician this year because of it now. Like, his sales just skyrocketed.
And he said in the interview that he don't say this, but him and his friends joke around saying it. So that means you say it on a regular. This wasn't no slip up. This was something that you and your buddies say on a regular.
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
So why the hell are you apologizing now? What
exactly.
Like I said,
then he up there.
What rehab are you going? Where are you going?
Yeah, and then he had the nerve to tell Michael on Good Morning America, I had no idea how this impact. Are you serious? Michael should have slapped the shit out of him. That's from Martin Luther King.
That's from Rosa Parks. The only people I would, if you 10 and younger, I'll give you a slide on that. But anybody older than that, I'm gonna need you to buy a clue, because I'm not stupid. The folks I hang with ain't stupid.
Girl, I was watching that shit like, you got to be kidding me. Where is his publicist?
Right.
Did he just say that on national television? That he don't understand how the N-word affects Black people?
Girl,
I don't understand your plight. You don't understand our plight. Black lives matter. Black lives matter. What the hell you mean, cowboy?
Here, let's throw rocks at him while he tried to go to school and spit on him and bomb his house and burn crosses in front of his yard and terrorize his kids and his family.
They don't care, Auntie Turn. They don't care. And that country star, he didn't care. He did not seem sincere or authentic or anything during that interview with Michael. At all. And then he had to throw in there, he don't understand. Michael was looking at him like, you really don't comprehend what that word means to why. He said, I didn't understand how offended Black people get by saying the N-word. See, I want to call him an N-word right now because
no, I'm gonna tell you what pisses me off about this whole subject, and then I'm gonna drop it. Is the people who are not the people who ain't Black, who be like, well, why we can't say it? Really?
That's how the country star was. I don't understand why it hurts you so much. I mean, that's what he might as well have said.
And you know what? Then I would have I would have wanted to politely punch him in his mouth and be like, I don't understand why that hurts you so much. I don't understand.
Lord have mercy. I don't know. I put it like this. Maybe I don't know. Maybe, and then they talk about going through sensitivity training, like you had mentioned. I think you had mentioned that earlier. Mm-hmm. That's just a bunch of BS. But anyway, that's all I got to say on that mess.
Words do hurt people, silly mommy. They do.
Yeah, they sure do.
Sticks and stones shit. That's some bullshit.